A very good morning to everybody. I hope I am audible to all of you.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah. First of all, thank you very much that you have joined with a very short notice because we have changed the time. Earlier it was 28, but because of it, we have scheduled it to 29, that is today. So thank you very much. And here all the members we have kept as they were in the last meetings, only few members changed. And we have included two new student members, Sneha and Jubair, and one professor, Samik Chakraborty, from the computer science department. He has also been included into this meeting instead of Mosumi Bora ma'am. Now Samik sir is with us. And the primary objective of this BOS meeting, as it is, we need to go through of our syllabus. And as you know that already we have done major changes in the last BOS meeting. So only very few changes that we are going to discuss in this meeting. And they are primarily like current batch of BCA, which are now going to the 7th semester. And you know, in the last BOS, what we have done, we have kept 5 specialization for the BCA honors. And what we want to do, we want to include those 5 specialization to the current batch of BCA that they are joining in the 7th semester. That is the main objective. And 2-3 syllabus, 1 syllabus from the BCA and 2 syllabus from the MCA. They will be new, and the BCA syllabus is, the name will be same, only the contents is to be only few portion of the syllabus we are going to change, that we will review. We need your suggestion. And 2 syllabus of MCA, they are one is advanced information technology and object-oriented programming using Python. These 2 subjects that we want to include in the MCA program. So I look forward for a very highly collaborative, insightful, and productive discussion, as you are already with us from the last few years. So these are the agenda for this meeting. And now I want to hand over this meeting to Professor Ratan Kumar Saha sir to host the meeting and go through the agenda and overall discussion. Once again, thank you all of you. Saha sir, please continue.
Thank you, Dean sir. Actually, we are now, all of you are now, few members yet to join. And because of the time zone, we have to be very, we have started now. Okay, because of the time zone, one from Meta and one from HCL Technology, US, and one from Purdue University. He is yet to join, but he has informed he is traveling, and so that it may make network problem for him. So, and Hsted sir and Rubal sir already joined, and our esteemed faculty is also joined here, and all of you are again welcome. And this is a very good morning for all of you. And so I can show you the whatever changes. In between, you can ask me a lot of questions, and so that I can clarify all those things if anything if you want to know. So this is basically the departmental overview. I just skip, and then our vision mission as if all the university have. So now the confirmation, first agenda is the confirmation of last BOS meeting. Whatever we have done is many comments, many review, many ideas you people have given last BOS meeting. So we have incorporated most of them, and you can say all of them we have incorporated, and we have a what you call documentation for that. So last member present was this. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
No, no, no.
Okay. So these are the members last time presented either in the physically or in online mode, and then some of the our extreme members was somehow not able to take get the time, and they are the absent. Okay, so now this is basically last time it was a agenda, and this was the comment actually, this portion. Dean sir last time welcome address, and then these are the comments we have got it from last review meeting. And
Sorry to interrupt. Can you see the comments on the screen?
Sir, comments are not visible.
Oh, okay. Just give us a minute. What is it? I think now it is visible. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, very sorry. And now it is visible.
Not
These
now.
are all.
এতিয়াও নাই হোৱা। এতিয়াও হেৰি PPT-টোহে দেখাইছে।
Just 1 minute.
फिर से शुरू से करिए वो। हाँ, ये जो अभी एक काम करिए जो मॉक स्क्रीन। एंटर स्क्रीन तो किया था ना, पहले किया था। It is.
Can you now see it is visible, my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this was the last meeting of the MOM, and we have these are the members was present, and even this and these are the members were because of some problem they are not able to attend, and these are the chairman's welcome. That is a, can I? Okay. So welcome address. And the last time also we have said that we have introduced this particular syllabus, artificial intelligence data. Previously also it was there, but it was in a core course and some of them were absent. So this last BoS, we have clarified everything, that this is the data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and full stack development and open electives. These are the electives, 5 different electives. Last year syllabus we introduced. And then on the last year syllabus, some of our extreme you people have commented and made the suggestion. We have incorporated all the suggestion one by one. Dr. Hassin sir and Rubul sir, then Rubul sir again, both, and Kaushik, and then Ritik from now he is from Meta, and that last year also he was from Meta. Everybody suggested, and all these things we have incorporated in our syllabus and modified. And lastly, what was the about the documentation comments? This was not. All the was not uniform basically. So we have made our syllabus uniform now, look and feel uniform for every syllabus, that we have already shared with all of you. And then new syllabus improvement was presently we'll be discussing about it was new for the professional elective, and this is also new for BCA, professional elective. All these things we have introduced. This was the last meeting actually, BoS of last MOM. And this was our present, because you people are some of you are online, so we cannot take the signature. If you now approve this MOM, we'll just sign, and again, hard copy means after that scan, and we'll be sending it to you. Now, any comments on that, or anything you want to check, or anything you want to suggest more improving this MOM, or you can approve it? I'm asking all of you.
Yeah, we are fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay to just approve it.
Yeah,
Okay.
approve it, sir. Approve it.
Okay, then we'll sign it. Our dean will sign, myself will sign, and then we'll be sharing this document to you next mail. Now we can go to the, again, can you see my PPT document?
Yes.
Okay. So action taken report also already we have discussed in the name of MOM, and this is the agenda. Analysis and review ongoing syllabus. We'll be reviewing it, and success and failure, actually nothing special about it. That is basically not applicable in our case, because success will be about this syllabus. Success will come around after 5 to 6 years, so that university student, how they are deploying, employment is coming, all these things are still we are not able to assess this success and failure, so it is not applicable. Analysis of suggestions, we have done it, and we have kept it in the MOM itself. And finalization of syllabus for the academic session. Now we have to do this part, finalization of academic session. Okay, so we'll go back to that. Okay, so again, this is our syllabus we'll be talking about, not PhD, but for holistic sense, we have this type of courses, programs we are running. And this is basically, again, why it is not coming then?
It is coming, so it is blocking by block by this.
Okay. They can see, na? Okay.
Go to the syllabus.
Huh.
I said, just last slide, sir. Last slide, BCA syllabus 2026.
BCA syllabus 20, no, that is, I'm not able to. Okay. Now we can go through some BCA syllabus where we are needed. As Dean explained you in the beginning, that BCA syllabus, there's no change, absolutely no change. And we have gone through the content also. We have found one content actually is slightly, we have to modify because of the need of the hour. So this was exactly the same syllabus which last year we have discussed, BCA, and same syllabus, but nothing has been changed. Only this, the first semester IT workshop. IT workshop is basically the beginning, because it's a first semester, and our students have not developed the skill like office product, or how to handle computers, because it's a BCA is a mixed eligibility. Many students can come from arts background and biology background, commerce background, and science background. But still, science background also, they are lacking of some of the schools. They don't introduce the computer science and all that, so they are not habituated to use our IT infrastructure. So that is the motto of this. And this was the motto, and this was the syllabus. But now we have found that many students actually are slightly aware of all those things, and 50% students are aware of all these things. So we have slightly changed the content. We'll show you the content, how we have changed. Okay, other semester, like second semester, there's no change. Only first semester, one subject content we have changed. And then third semester also not change at all. Nothing content, only the we have look and feel of standard syllabus we have made. And fourth semester also no change. Fifth semester also no change. And sixth semester also no change. All the if you can ask me any question, please, in between. Then seventh semester also no change. And the way we have last time discussed, the same. Eighth semester anyway no change because project and internship they will be doing. So this is okay. Any question or anything you want to know?
I actually wanted to know what is the different color coding means. I saw some courses are blue, some are green. What's the
Okay,
difference?
yes. I can go through again. Sorry. This color coded means those who are conventional. I'll just show you the color coded. Good. The color coded actually internship we have separately wanted to highlight in our curriculum so that student will be able to make their mindset in the beginning of the semester. Okay, and then value-added course also these are the core course, mandatory course. This is also mandatory course, value-added course. Also green color we have given because this is also they have to make sure they have to go through 30 hours value-added course. This is based on the NEP and UGC guidelines. Okay. So then comes to this, and these are the actually professional electives. We have different color code because these are the subject. Actually, if you see here, these are the core courses, mandatory courses, and this is elective. This is choice-based question. Any one subject they can take because one subject from the in the fifth semester. So open elective is there and professional elective, one subject they have to take from here, one 3 credit subject. So they can choose, this is separate from the course subject. That's why we color coded blue we have given. Again,
I
and the
see.
value-added course green here we have given. And this is the next is same, like blue for specialization, I mean electives course, and white for normal courses, and green for that either industrial internship or value-added course.
So for open elective and professional elective, they pick from the blue rows, right?
Yes, yes. No, open electives actually from other department across the department. Suppose somebody want to a computer science person, BCA or MCA, they wanted to pursue civil engineering survey course or some other course. This is basically this is under the our NEP. NEP means New Education Plan 20. And this has been circulated all over India. All over university are
I see.
supposed to follow that.
So it's interdisciplinary.
Interdisciplinary.
Yes.
Somebody can take management course or something like that. Open. That's why its name is open elective.
Similarly, we are also offering 2 open electives, and one is Introduction to Python Programming and another is Introduction to Data Analytics.
So our department also has to offer open elective for other schools or other discipline. So that was the convention for interdiscipline. And anyway, other than that also, people have different department have different program like nursing. We are giving them the informatics for nurses and hospitals. That type of courses are there already in their curriculum. It's not our curriculum. So they set their syllabus according to their plan. Health science, then your pharmacy, then every department have their, even in MBA, they set their own, and we go there for teaching that some computer science subjects. Okay. So have I cleared the idea?
Yes, already thumbs up.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So, sir, I mean, anybody have any other question?
I think no, we can go to the
We
syllabus.
can, okay, we can go for the next. So this was a BCA course. Sorry, this was a BCA, and then BCA course actually we have implemented. This was the IT workshop. What was the syllabus we have made? Can you see the screen?
Yes, yes.
IT workshop syllabus, detailed syllabus. You can see, no? Okay, so objective was because of the objective we have changed because of from last year. The people are aware of this. Most of them are now computer science, even if though they are coming from other discipline like BCA eligibility is I mean arts, commerce, bioscience, any high secondary graduate and high secondary pass out student. So that's why they are already knows this thing, computers. That's why we have introduced some of them, and also there is a next semester we have Unix and Linux platform, Linux programming. So for that they need a initial background of OS. So we thought that initial background of OS, functionality and technical things and components and file system, user interface, different basic
इंटरनेट वो होगा ना, इंटरनेट चला के डायरेक्ट वो हॉटस्पॉट ऑन करो. I think the screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Actually, in between, we had a power interrupted. Power supply interrupted. That's why all the connections was. So I was. I was discussing about the how we have thought that basic introduction of OS is required for this, because some of them are aware of computer, but they are not knowing OS properly, because they are a student. They have to know for structured OS. And then at the same time, second semester, they have Unix and Linux platform, Linux programming. So that's why they need to know some basics of OS. So that's why first unit we have discussed about OS, and second unit we have discussed about the memory management, because a lot of functions, a lot of system calls of Unix and Linux programming. We are manipulating a lot of things. And then data structures also in the second semester, but memory allocation, memory, what you call manipulation part, they will not understand except the memory concept of that's why the first year we have introduced these two unit, so that they can cope up with the subject in the next semester also. I mean, second semester. So, and it was difficulties. Those teachers was telling us, sir, if you don't have any prior experience of OS and memory management or something like that, very difficult for them to understand the data structures and pointers and all those things. So this was the background of changes, Unit 1 and Unit 2. And previously, Unit 1 and Unit 2 was HTML and web browser, something like that. Then we have kept it that overview of web browser internet. Many students nowadays everybody is knowing that. Then what
We are hearing
processor? Then
echo.
what processor? And presentation and then spreadsheet.
As it is like that.
So this was the motivation behind it, and we have changed this IT workshop syllabus. Now I'm asking anybody have any improvement?
I think there is some echo in the audio.
Oh, okay.
I think
Echo is echo.
Mute it.
One more. You see here. We'll just. Hello. Now it is okay.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So any improvement or anything you need to know, need to introduce here in this?
So this is for the first year or
First semester, actually. This is
First
for the
semester.
first semester, first year student. Just
I see.
we have full phase operating systems in third semester.
Okay.
So this is for because various background with this student community nowadays BCA is they are also eligible, and they are also doing very good. Even they are from commerce or arts background or biology background, they are basically coming to the topper type improvement they have done. So
Is there a computer architecture in any of the years? Maybe later
yes,
on you.
the first year itself. Okay, first year I'll go to that digital electronics and computer organization. That is in the first semester itself, along with
Okay.
this IT workshop.
I see.
This is basically hands-on, fully. It is lab oriented. It's not the classroom lectures oriented, conceptual. It's not conceptual oriented. These particular things will be hands-on kind of things. So because some background people are coming from many various schools, school mean village or some modern schools, they are not introduced much computers still today in India, in
I
this
see.
part of the country, like
I see. So this is an IT workshop. Okay, got it.
IT workshop means just hands-on to go
Yeah.
with the next semester.
Sounds good.
Sir, I have an observation. In that Excel this time, you haven't included pivot table, it seems.
Huh?
A pivot table can be included there in that spreadsheet.
Yes, sir. It will be there actually. The etc. That sort. They have. Okay, I'll mention here. But it's etc. means all those things. Spreadsheet overall. A spreadsheet. This is at a 10 hours subject. 10 hours.
Okay.
If you say 10 hours. And they will be learning also. They will be learning BL means Bloom's astronomy, how to see, how to make, how to use it, and how to make sure that they have created something like that. So all these parameters are there. Our teachers will follow all these parameters to teach them overall growth of the idea of spreadsheet. So
And what
if
about that
you
memory?
will
Yes, I want to know what is covered under that memory management unit. I mean, in practical.
memory management, actually the basic memory management means how the paging, how the actually things are happening in the memory allocation. Then system calls, when in Unix we called that fork and malloc functions, how they will do, or how the memory will be counted blockwise when you study the data structures and all that. So this is Priyanka. If you come, you can explain properly.
Few actually memory management algorithms are there. Hello, Asinda.
Yes,
So,
Dibya.
so I'm just
Few algorithms are there.
because
Like
she is the teacher. She will be teaching.
hello. Can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yeah, Dibya, I can hear you.
Yeah. In the memory management, basically, we will just give introduction of few memory management algorithms like base fit and those different algorithms we have that we introduce. But they are in like fundamentals, as we already have one subject like operating system. So here we'll just give them a basic introduction.
First 2 units are sort of theoretical things. It seems that later on they will get into the, I mean, hands-on kind of practices, now from unit 3, it seems.
Yes. What sound to body and sound and Kora?
No, you are right, actually.
Sound to body.
Idea behind this is that
You carry on, sir.
okay. Idea behind this is that next semester they have, I mean, semester 2 they have data structure. Okay. And for data structure, they have to understand some memory management things. Okay. So
Syllabus kon uliye
just
syllabus kon
1 minute.
uliye.
Can you see that now? Screen?
Yes,
Can
we
you
can
see
see
my
it.
screen now?
Yeah.
So this is a very basic introduction, means primary and secondary memory and then virtual memory. So these are just fundamentals that we introduce in this unit.
Okay.
So
one
telling
question.
that, is there any or computer organization? Yes, that is also there. There also they will be learning about what is primary and secondary memory in detail, and then introduction to memory allocation. Basically, these are the introductory course, but main idea is to make them understand memory will be allocated by the process and at the runtime. So that when you say dynamic data structures, that thing will be there. Is still the echo is going? Now it is okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
A lot of actually interrupt is happening. Anyway, so then these are the concept, sir, these are the concept we are trying to give them for
Yes.
the next preparation of next second semester. There are 2 courses there. One is Unix and Linux programming. Another is a
Okay.
data structure. We're
So,
preparing for
sir,
them.
one suggestion here, just like you are making aware about the productivity tool, browser, internet, very basic things of the computer.
Very basic things.
Right. But as of in the today's world, the very basic minimum thing is the introduction of the AI tool. And there are very many free open tools like Gemini or ChatGPT. If you can add that, how to prompt, how to use those, then they can actually leverage those tools, because everybody has now the mobile in their hand. They are tech savvy. So at least those fundamentals they can get to know what is the actual use of those tools along with the word processor and the presentations.
Yes, very good suggestion. Very good suggestion. I have never thought about it. Our team will be thinking again, and we'll introduce along with the word processor. Word processor part, you are absolutely right that people are knowing it from the class 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So word processor part will just touch what are the how to introduction, and we'll give the practicals for them and for various things to implement. And this I mean generative tool we have to introduce with them. It is a very
Yeah,
good suggestion.
very basic, right? Like how to
Very
actually
basic.
get the information, how we can leverage those tools for our benefit, those kind of thing.
Yes.
And
Very, very important suggestion. Very important suggestion. I have not thought about it. Our dean must have thought about it, but I have not thought about it. But it is a very, very. I think all of our members will agree with Sumit sir. So that
Yeah,
because
and
he is
actually
from.
to add to the point, a lot of the stuff that you create, slides or presentations or spreadsheets that you have here, can actually be generated from using AI tools,
Okay.
just by prompts.
Yes, your
Yeah.
suggestion also will be incorporated
So I
here
think it's
instead
very
of
crucial to have the AI tool in your back pocket. Yeah.
yes, yes. These two suggestion is very important. Both of you are in industry. You are from Meta and he's from
Okay.
ICL Technology. There, you people are actually need those type of skill set for the newcomers who are joining the company. So
Yeah.
And the
I
So
reason
will.
I'm
why
just
I asked
wanted to
about
give one example. Sorry, Ritik, go ahead.
Yeah, I was going to say that the reason why I asked about computer organization is because what I feel now more in the industry is writing software is probably going to be very cheap and it's almost going to go away. Like I don't remember the last time I wrote software. So what people I see doing, every tech company builds their own custom AI silicon, which is AI hardware. And so if people do not have a good knowledge of how to build AI hardware, then it's a problem. So focus shifts now from software to now hardware. How to build efficient hardware which can do matrix multiplication, stuff like that. So I think we will slowly, I don't know, maybe it's not relevant for a BCA course, but the shift that I'm seeing is away from humans writing code. It's
Yeah.
it's a, it's a real shift.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just to give the you my experience about last meeting. Actually, I've read through all the documents, whatever I got from your side, all the course material and syllabus. And this time I just used my Copilot to upload this document and get the suggestions. And they have given a very good suggestion. I will summarize and send it to you.
Okay.
Just this meeting, actually, I cannot read all through, but within
Okay.
10
Okay.
minutes, it has gone through entire industry and give a very good suggestion. I will send that summary,
Oh,
which I
nice,
got
nice,
from
nice,
the.
nice.
So these
Well,
tools are very easy to use. Only we have to give the direction to the student how ethically we can use these tools.
okay, okay, very good. And yes, both of you have working in and directly to the team of people who are what should skill they should need and all that. That input we will be taking, and I can okay, okay. Any other we will be doing. I will show you after this. I will show you one of the document what we are having in the digital first semester itself, the digital logic and computer organization, that course already we have. But whether if we need, we can modify some of the things along with the of course along with the industrial requirement for hardware to understand new hardware for AI ready hardware. So yes, what you said is correct, but because it is relevant to computer science and engineering and department, those who are actually 4-year BTech course for them, our computer application is, but they should be aware of
They
that.
should also
How
know.
much we how much we should add, that we have to finalize and we'll be sending across all of you. Okay, these two suggestion is really great, and we have learned a lot from these two suggestions because the way now things are happening, nobody writes the HTML code for web design, web page design. Okay, and or any database design also, sometimes you will be getting nowadays that they need not to go through all the normalization process. So okay. So and
So,
Sumit sir,
sir,
huh?
yeah, I have another observation. Like this first two units seems to be kind of making a foundation for data structure and operating system, I guess, in the later
Yes,
semesters.
yes.
So, I mean,
Okay.
I mean, if we you won't, you can include certain, contents from Linux commands also, because this is a kind of workshop-based course. So that will make them like bit familiar with later on getting into the practical aspects of operating system. It seems my suggestion, yeah.
Basic few commands we can include.
Okay. Good suggestion.
A unit
Good
on
suggestion.
Linux familiarization, or say terminal, working with the terminal of Linux with certain commands.
Okay. Actually, so that's what we'll be doing. If you see the 1.4 basics of Windows, that OS and Unix, there will be elaborating that also. What you have suggested, we'll be doing add with that. Nice
Okay, okay.
observation. Okay. So we'll add that. Okay. So, Rubal sir, anything?
Hello.
Okay. Huh. Huh.
Yes,
Sneha?
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I have one
Huh.
suggestions. Like this is an IT workshop, right? So it's
Huh.
having various like hands-on projects, labs, and many more things, theory also. So
Okay.
at the last, as it is a IT workshop, so I will suggest that at the last just add some mini projects, just the mini projects, very basics projects, so that to know
Okay.
that whether student has understood the things or not.
Okay, good
That's all from
suggestion.
me.
Okay, remember to the about the Sneha. Sneha is basically the sixth semester student of BCA, and he is a member of this committee. So that as from the point of student, she has observed that it needs a small project, then a individual project or a group project for all this what unit 1, unit 2, and unit 3 and unit 4, whichever they choose, it's a mandate requirement. So good suggestions now. Okay.
Very good suggestion. Obviously, we'll put some
We'll,
projects
we'll do
including
that.
all
We'll
the
do that.
units.
Okay. So good thing. And then I'll just quickly go through the our digital logic and computer organization, where we should change is slightly required for revisit again. So I'll just go through this syllabus. No, not this one. Sorry, not this one. Huh. Huh.
This one is okay.
No. This is course structure. Huh. We'll just go through the detailed course of digital logic and computer organization. If we need to change, we should change it, because this is maybe required for new generation. This is the digital logic first semester, digital logic and computer organization. Lab also we have, and English and IT workshop, which we are discussing in detail, and mathematics and C programming and all those things, right? So we'll just go through the first syllabus. This is the digital logic and computer organization. Please, our objective is to only define the principles of operations of number system and all those things, and little bit of memory organization, cache memory, virtual memory, and aspect also there. And this was our course outcome, understanding number systems. It is the basic things, because various background people are coming today, so that's why we have done that way. Uh, like first unit is introduction of number theory. This is a basic things. And second is Boolean algebra, and processor organization, third unit. And these are the things we have. And memory organization is the fourth unit. So, but it is not much hardware oriented, only the logical part of how the hardware will functions that way. Okay, because it's a BCA student and we don't have any fabrication lab and all that for them. So They are only interested about here. Can we introduce one chapter for AI ready hardware or something like that organization? Is still, I believe that is different from normal computing and AI computing.
I think what you have here is good enough. I think this is fine.
Okay, okay. Thank you. So because our basic engineering course, we can find that should be there, AI ready hardware's component.
Yeah, if they can understand, how memory works, how compute works, CPU works, how vector processor works, how maybe GPU works. I think GPU is actually very important for AI. So if you can have
Yes,
some
yes,
GPU
yes.
architecture, then
Large amount of
yes, how to do massively parallel computation, like matrix multiplication, that will be very interesting, I think.
okay, okay. Okay, thank you. Still, we'll be thinking anything we can put it here or not in the computer organization. And okay, we are going for the MCA course. This is enough for our BCA. So, okay. Hmm? MCA syllabus is as it is, not changes much. Two new subject we have introduced, and that is basically this one. This one we have changed in the first semester itself. Advanced operating system, we have wanted to introduce advanced information technology and distributed database management system. We are using why we have thought I will just explain it also. Object-oriented programming using Python. So this is the syllabus actually. This was new syllabus. This is the first year MCA. MCA here also we have not a heterogeneous environment. All of them are eligibility to get admission either BCA or BSc IT or BSc honors in computer science. These are the people actually will be the student of our first year student. That means most of them, all of them actually from basic background of computer science. Okay, so that's why we have introduced that advanced computing nickel. It was a last year syllabus, but only these two new. If you go through this new and this new, we have changed. Otherwise, it was in place of operating system, advanced operating in place of advanced distributed computing and database management system. Other than that, actually, there's no change in the previous syllabus. All the syllabuses are almost exactly the same. Only look and feel of the detailed syllabus we have changed, like formatted differently, and that's all. They have come from other university or other institute, and some of them from definitely Kaziranga University. Some of them are from various places, and they have operating system in the first year, first semester, or second semester, or third semester. So they must have because of we have to take them aligned to our course. We have again started that first unit is review of previous subjects, what they have learned so far. So on that operating system overview, and then review of distributed database and unstructured database, and review of cloud computing. They must have hiring the cloud computing. This is a new information technology infrastructures, and overview of quantum computing. That is also the thinking, people are thinking too much on that. So we are trying to do, these are the, we thought this could be the first four will be the introduction course about advanced information technology. This is falling under advanced information technology. So compared to this, the internet and browser is not advanced information technology, but cloud computing, we thought it is advanced, may not be advanced, but for the people who are coming from the different background, different colleges, but computer science, they may think that new things and all that. That's why we have thought about it. Now, advanced ways and advanced stateway, advanced database. Advanced data, that means IPC, many people, many things, university, they don't have included the inter-process communication, deadlock, they are not explained in your curriculum. The message passing, memory organization, storage allocation, virtual memory paging. This part, a lot of university actually not touching clearly. So we thought we will be giving as a advanced database, advanced OS. An advanced database means client-server distributed database, types of fragmentation and replication. When you do the, how the distributed database fragmented and all those things, using the referential integrities and ACID properties intact on that, and transaction management, how it will be handling. All these ideas we are considering as a advanced database, distributed database concept. So level of database distribution transparencies, how they will be doing, and distributed transaction management, how it will be happening, and NoSQL database also will be actually give the project here, and they will do the project here, and as a case studies, and differences between RDBMS and NoSQL, they should know. And for example, we'll be touching with MongoDB architecture and Cassandra architecture, and how they have implemented that CAP theory. That also will be discussing with that. That is under 2.2, that in the name of advanced database technology.
Sir,
Then
Sir, I have
cloud.
one question about the I have one question about
Yes,
the
yes.
database.
Go ahead.
Yeah. On the database side, can you scroll up a bit?
No, this is not full phase, sir. This is just, again, I'll repeat, this is not full phase database management system. This is a new things people should understand.
Yeah. So I'm asking, are we not adding data engineering side like data lakes, data warehouse? Just conceptually, they should know what is the data lake.
Okay. We'll one
Yeah.
unit will make that conceptual model of data mining and this thing. But we have
Data
a full
pipeline,
phase
data lake, data warehouse.
course on
Just
that.
very high level overview in that.
Okay. And Hasin sir, you wanted to say something?
Yes, sir. Actually, this is not my observation. This is one of the experience that I had recently when I designed my syllabus there in my university. Probably your evaluation system is internal so far, like you set your questions yourself. But the thing is, I have seen in most of your syllabus, if you compare in the syllabus that you are showing right now, Unit 2 and Unit 3. In Unit 2, it's so detailed. I mean, in unit 3, it's not detailed at all. So when you don't have this content in a bit more detail, what is the problem that you will be facing? If you look at their 14 classes and you have just listed down 4 topics there. So whenever there will be a communication between the instructor and the question paper setter, if question paper setter happens to be from some organization outside your institute, then this communication becomes very difficult. If you, I mean, set this topic in such a short way, without going to the detailed subtopics, then what happens? The same topic can be portrayed by different, I mean, literature, different books in different ways, and they face. I mean, question paper and especially I mean, communication between the instructor and the question paper gets disrupted, and students suffer, sir. So in our case, it happens. So nowadays, the syllabus that we are designing for the new courses, we are trying to make it as detailed as possible so that that problem doesn't arise, sir. Is my point clear?
Okay.
Unit 3,
Okay.
no?
Unit
No,
3, and I will say then our. Acha, Dean want to say something?
Hasinda, about Unit 3, right?
I mean, in most even those earlier syllabus also, I mean, the syllabi that we, I mean, went through, there it seems like there are 10 classes and 5 topics have been listed. So what kind of problem that arise later in that kind of situation? Like you may be having different, very good books on that topic, and the books will lay down different subtopics. So, I mean, the instructor that conducts this course may have a different perspective of that topic, and the external question paper setter may be having a different kind of layout of that those set of subtopics. So later on, the students suffer. Like they will be setting some questions which will go beyond whatever was taught in the class. Dibya, is my
Yes, yes,
point clear?
yes.
So we face that problem actually. So what we did this time, whenever we are designing syllabi, we are trying to make it as detailed as possible with inclusion of the subtopics as well. You have done
Okay.
it in unit 2 there, it seems, in this current syllabus. Unit 2, it seems like you are putting subtopics also. But in unit 3, if you look at some other earlier syllabi, those subtopics are not present. So that creates later problem for external evaluator. If you say just give him 5 topics and ask him to set 50 marks or 30 marks of question, then he will have his own inclination towards or some kind of interest, or he may be inclined towards certain part of that particular topic. So he will be inclined to, or he will tend to set questions from there. So that creates problem because that teacher instructor will be teaching something, and external evaluator will set some question from some other topics, subtopics especially. So that will create problems. So it's better, like in future, whenever you, I mean, design syllabi, it will be better if you put the subtopics as well, so that that guidance can be better to the instructor. So
Sure,
that is
I
my
sure. We
think
will
one
put
experience.
that.
suggestion. I
Yes,
think one
yes.
suggestion is that you create a appendix with all the detailed subtopics and everything. And here in this section, maybe you can just refer to that, to say that in this appendix section, this and so on. So look at the detailed scope of what
Yes,
this
yes, yes.
encloses.
We'll do this
Yes,
type
yes,
of
that will be.
suggestion. Okay. And also, I wanted to elaborate that in our case, actually, like your, I mean, not education wise, but I'm saying that structure wise, like an IIT independent body. So whatever teachers they teach, they actually do the question paper. Okay. In our setup, also this university is independent. So that's why slightly those who will be teaching this particular subject, suppose this particular, in our case, actually, this whole thing may be taught by 3 people, 3 faculty, because they are specialized in, somebody is specialized in cloud computing. He will be giving the question of them, and quantum computing, who as teacher is expert in that, they will be going through the quantum computing, and he will actually give the lecture on quantum computing. And it is the first 2 units is general. I mean, I mean, because of the 2, anybody can take this responsibility to teach unit 1 and unit 2. So generally, And this course actually wanted to aware that advanced information technology, what is around us, and the detailed syllabus we have computing, cloud computing and architecture. And as a specialization, cloud computing and deployment services, they have another subject, and cloud security, another subject. Those will do the specialization. On that, they have a line of all the 1, 2, 3, 4 subjects there. So they will be choosing that. This is the, because they were not aware of cloud computing, there's the first semester advanced in the name of advanced. We are not deep dive, we are not doing here. Okay. So that is also our trying to tell you, but whatever suggestion you made, both of you will make it as transparent to the student and faculty who will be teaching. What all things they will, guidelines of that will be definitely elaborate that.
We'll include the subtopics.
Will include. Asin sir?
Okay.
Thank you,
Sir.
Asin sir. Yeah.
We'll do. That will do.
Thank you, Sumit sir.
And Ritik also.
In the meantime,
both
I
of
have
your
to say that the cat is very cute.
Eh?
That cat is very cute. I have to say that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cat at home. How?
Yeah, he
What?
likes to visit me during my meetings and everything. It will sit on my keyboard and ask for food.
Like Isaac Newton, they had a cat.
Yes. Only difference is I am not Newton, but this is a cat.
No, you are also doing great job actually in Meta, and Sumit also doing great job in ACL technology. Last 10 years, I think, more than 10 years you are in US and
Yes.
supporting the
15 years, sir.
almost 15 years. Definitely you are doing good job. What is the time now at night?
For me, it is 11:15,
11:16.
15 at
Okay.
night.
Okay. Good. And what about Ritik?
It's not that late for me. It's 9:14. Yeah.
Oh, acha, okay.
Yeah.
So now quantum, go through the Asin sir and all of you go through the unit 4, whether it is too much or we should go through something or we should reduce. And if you have any idea about the quantum computing, suggestion on that, then we can reduce. And because it's a 14 hours we have kept here. First is history, benefits, environment, and challenges. We'll be discussing maybe 1 hour or 2 hours. Then basis of computing, quantum computing, introduction to quantum computing theory, postulates of quantum mechanics. Actually, without that, people will be not able to, teacher will not able to explain what exactly happened in the quantum mechanics, and very briefly. And not that quantum mechanics, that Schrodinger equations and all, not that much. So only instability and all those things, nuclear instability, and because of the magnetic field and electrical field. So that way. They describe quantum states, how the quantum states actually will be then. This will be done by a physics teacher. We are thinking about it because he will be better than our computer science people. Okay. So operators, then unitary, and this then discuss the concept of measurement in quantum theory. So mostly this unit 1, unit 2, 4.2 will be, we have lined up with the physics faculty. He may be able to give the justice for this particular unit. So any change in 2.4.2, I am also very new to this concept, so I am asking.
I'm totally new.
Is this supposed to be a mandatory course, or should this be an elective course? The quantum computing
this
seems
is
very
not
specialized.
course actually. This is a part of the syllabus for awareness of, as a name of, advanced information technology.
I
So
see.
we'll include that's why we have included some briefing. Actually, it's not a quantum. Is still people are not knowing that what is quantum computing and all that. To make them assured that there is another computing things are happening. It is not only the conventional computing.
No, but that is overview, right? That is 1.4, Unit 1, Section 4. In Unit 4, you're going deep into quantum computing, right?
Within 14 hours, whatever we
I
are
see.
planning to do, this is also part of that awareness only.
Okay.
So, introduction of qubit and this they should know what is instead of bit bytes and all those things, our unit for normal conventional, what is this 3-state 0 0 1 and 0 1, like this state, those things are happening, those to make them understand this is a new way of thinking of computing environment.
Is this was this there in the last year syllabus also, or is this new in
No,
this
this is
time?
a new. That's what I'm saying. It is a new in the name of our advanced information technology.
I see.
Then quantum speed up. Quantum will. If you have offline comments, you can give later on. We can modify accordingly. Because you people have got very little time to go through it. Last only 2 days we have sent to you. If anybody wants to have some improvement on this, and please
If you
do
think
so.
that this unit is means consisting more topics, then we can reduce them.
Yeah, my only thing is I know that there are very few tech companies now which are actually investing in quantum computing. Microsoft has a small group of researchers who are doing quantum computing. Google has a small group, but it's not something which is very, I mean, the technology
Will take care and will reduce this with just introduction to quantum theory and all those small, but that way they may
Yes.
be aware of that this computing, quantum computing
Like
also coming up.
qubits and basic gates of quantum computing, and these things we will include only. We'll cut out the 4.4 and these things.
Okay. Okay.
Is it okay, sir?
Yeah, sounds good. And actually, AI is way more important and relevant than QC, quantum computing,
Oh,
I think.
okay. You are then here also because we wanted to use something in the IT workshop, some AI tools and other open domain tools for AI generative MC also should have that. We will include here. Okay, so that they can also make use of the modern tools, open source tools for their own purpose. And that is good. That is good session. Instead of very elaborate 14 hours, I think it will be divided into 14 hours divided into say 6 hours and 8 hours, like that. AI tools and other things will be 8 hours, and this will be just to namesake. We'll be doing that.
It will
Okay.
be a
Yeah.
very good suggestion. Yeah.
So in Asin sir or Rubul sir, any suggestion?
Sir, I totally agree with him. If the technology is uncertain, then we should allocate some more time on something which is quite more, relevant, and it has a very wide presence. The database chapter unit that you have there can be a bit extended with some kind of unstructured kind of thing that is quite, widely used. You don't have database thing, right? Oh, you have. Oh, that's quite, extended, it seems.
Okay,
Or
okay,
yeah,
okay. Here we'll introduce some of the open source software for AI generative tools, basically.
yeah, that will be more
That will
useful.
be very fine. Good suggestion. Thank you very much. And this is the next changes. There are two changes. One is this: instead of operating system, can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes.
And we are having
Yes.
this advanced information technology. Now, distributed database or management system, and that is basically in the cloud or anywhere, all the things are there. So we thought full-face semester course, we have to change to new object-oriented programming using Python, because MCA student actually coming from, again, MCA student is background is they must have we have felt actually they have
Different
come from
backgrounds.
various
Yeah.
university. How much programming they knowledge they have, we have a very difficult time to take them into the normal programming task. Very, very difficult for them. So we thought we should have a programming classes in the name of a modern and all that. Conventional they have done C, C++, and Java they must have done in BCA. So they must have not done this, or actually they have forgotten to write program. This is the situation in first year MCA student. So they are coming for the MCA, but they are not forgotten, or they are still to be rebrushing their own knowledge about programming. So that's why we have introduced this particular course, and this is a detailed syllabus. Our motivation is that they should know Python programming, and they should make use of it for AI as well as the data science. Okay, so our dean will want to tell something about it.
Thank you,
Then I
Saha
will
sir.
explain.
He already explained what is the need of the subject. Basic thing is that now this is the first semester, and in MCA, the students are coming from diverse backgrounds. So we just want to give them a gear up towards the programming, and means most importantly, the object-oriented programming. So that's why we have included these subjects, basic part of the Python programming, along with that object-oriented programming concepts, which we will teach with the help of the Python programming. I hope you all agree with that. This is the need of the subject. Sasa, now you can show the syllabus.
Can you see my
Yes, we can see.
screen? Okay, this is the first unit, very basic to introduction to Python foundations. Okay, but our learning model will be they should understand, they should analyze it, and BL3 means they should create, they can create the object. This is the learning model for this particular unit. And we have kept 10 hours because rapid growth they need, because they are in masters. So that's why looks like this is not a 10 hours syllabus detail, but we have to complete in 10 hours because we have to complete it within the time limit of the things. Then after basics of your using this concept, then the teacher will introduce the object-oriented programming concept, and all the normal, conventional, and foundation concept of operating systems. And then this also learning model is from not only understand, it is understand, analyze, and creative things will be there in this, especially encapsulations. They're totally creative. Even they have a concept, but they have to create those concept and implement. Then OOPS principle, inheritance, polymerization. These are the basic concept, but still we have thought about they have to do the analysis and they have to do the learning model of creative some new things from them and error handling. But all of the places are actually use the basic Python's ideas, Python, how the Python can work for those things in OOPS and all that. Okay, this is the standard syllabus of many university adapted. We have gone through Delhi University, even in Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, and local university and IITs also. And we have made this as a syllabus for our student also.
We are having our cup of tea, but sorry to say that we cannot afford it.
Sorry, actually, they have served tea, but for you people already online, this is the most difficult problem to send tea.
No, I just had my orange juice, so I'm fine. We're good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yes.
What about Sumit?
I'm about to sleep.
Oh, you are
After this
about to
call.
sleep. Okay, sorry. You just go through it offline. If it is too much time, then you can send your comments so that we will modify. And this is the last part because 3 syllabus only we have discussed in detail. Other syllabus as it is of last year.
It is nice to see Dibya's book there in the textbook section. That will be good.
Oh, he has. All of us congratulate him. He has
Oh,
written a book.
thank you, Hasinda.
I have gone through it. I have gone through it. I have taken the book for 5 days to put his name in that. I've gone through it. I
That's
liked
great.
it
That's
actually.
yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Rubol sir also one of the writer. A very nice book. Okay. He is also watching it first time, probably. I mean, when I put that
Yes.
thing in the syllabus, he saw that actually. That his name also in the syllabus.
Yes. Thank you, Saha sir, and thank you all the members here.
Okay. Any other discussion? But the conclusion of this is basically we have taken this particular object-oriented programming using Python. We have taken mostly from other universities, and we have thought this could be for our students. So we have introduced that. And other universities references like IITs, NIT, Guwahati University, and your Dibrugarh University, some of the places we have seen, and IIIT. So mostly a standard syllabus for this first student of MCA. Oh, so okay. Sorry, actually, we have forgotten that. Another thing, just we will discuss about it. We need the approval. Okay, so actually, our BCA syllabus, second year, we need some approval from all of you. Actually, we have 5th semester. Actually, in the second year, they have 4th and 5th. Okay, 5th semester, it was not when we discuss about the 2024 that syllabus was not, that elective was not placed, and then 2023 batch, they are in the third semester. They are presently in the seventh semester. They also some reason for change is specialization. New specialization we have introduced only 2024 syllabus. Okay, where you people are also this. We need some recommendation from that in fifth semester we need to introduce that this is the actually previously this was the previous year 2024 syllabus when we made. This was the BoS meeting. They have approved like this. So, but sorry, this was approved, but 2024 this was not there. This is the current one. 2025 syllabus, this side, left-hand side, and right-hand side is the 2024 syllabus. But because they are in fifth semester, we have to introduce, we am trying to introduce the same specialization like artificial intelligence and machine learning and data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and all that. So previously also syllabus was there, elective, but it was not categorized the whole thing. So what we did actually, one of the student have to take one subject only. So instead of taking from here, they have to take from the syllabus of 24. Have I explained correctly?
So what is the why do you need approval?
Approval means without BoS approval, we cannot introduce any course because their BoS was in 2024. That BoS approved that these three, right-hand side, three specialization. Now we wanted to we wanted to use 2024 BoS recommendation.
I see.
So
Machine learning
that's
using
why
cryptography,
is
virtual
it
technology, and
okay
front-end
for
development.
us to change or we to follow that? If we do that, then our specialization they will not be able to take. So new
Actually,
they will be coming from July.
Hmm.
This fifth semester will start from July. So if we all of us think that they should also go through this new specialization which we have done for 2024 batch, we should use that for this current fifth semester batch also.
Is there a problem in doing that?
If no problem, we have to have a concern from BoS, some BoS.
Yes, we have to inform you because what our motive is to consider all the 5 specialization. Right. Basically, earlier we have cloud computing, digital image processing, Internet of Things. So instead of them, now we want to categorize the subjects as part of 5 different specialization. So that's why we want to include them. But for that, we have to obviously need your permission. So Sir is asking for that only.
Yeah, I think it's okay. I mean, I think it's okay to.
And this will help the student only.
Yeah, I don't see a
Okay.
problem. Yeah, I think it should be fine.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Same thing happened for the current 7 batch also, 7th semester batch. This one of the student member also there, she will be going for current 7th semester batch. Their classmates and this current semester batch also, they are following the 2023 BoS syllabus, approved syllabus. Okay. That time also we had no, in fact, no elective because 7th semester was not there at all that time. So 4th semester, 4 years started with 2023 batch. Okay, but approval has been taken before that. That's why 7th semester, there was no existence on 7th semester. This is the first new 7th semester batch. So whatever we have discussed we have taken the approval from 2025 batch, 25 BoS, that we wanted to put it here without any thing, because there is no 7th semester in their batch, I mean, before 2023. So we are thinking of adapting this, whatever 7th semester syllabus exists for 2024 and 2025, that we should adapt. That's what we need again, your privilege, I mean, permissions.
I think my opinion is it's fine. Yeah, make it available to students.
Because we had no option, because before that there's no 7th semester. Okay, so we can use it for new 7th semester. Current semester will get the syllabus of 2025 or 2024. Exactly the same things happen in that syllabus will be adapting. That is the permission we wanted to have. Okay, and so this is all about our discussion. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, I'm getting communication problem again. You say communication problem.
Just wait for a minute. I think the pen drive being ejected. So now it's coming.
So now everything we have discussed, and presently we have a student in BCA first year, not first semester, 114 enrolled, and BCA second year 64, and BCA third year currently, and they will go for 7th semester, that is 75, and MCA also. This is the first semester they are going on, 17 student. No, actually, and this is 15. Okay. So now, any comment or anything you want to, that's all we want to discuss among you. So we'll write the MOM for today, and I will be sending to you again, and we'll incorporate all the your suggestions, very good suggestions, and those suggestions will be putting into that. And this is from my side. And Dean sir wants to tell you conclusion.
Thank you very much, our respected Saha sir. He has explained everything in minute details, and we have noted down your suggestions. We will definitely try to include all of them, incorporate all of them, and also we'll share the MOU. And any overall feedback you want to give, so please kindly put forward that.
Everybody is any comment or anything?
No, we
If
are
not,
good.
then we don't need to take much longer, because the timeline is different. So, and we come to the conclusion then. If you all
Yeah, I
agree
think
with
it
that.
was a good meeting. I think it was thank you for setting this up. I think it was very productive.
Really productive.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
We can
All right.
close
Thank
the
you.
session.
Yeah.
Once again,
Thank you.
I would like to thank you, all of you. Thank you very much for your time, your efforts. And I'm expecting that we will conduct very soon one conference or workshop. There also will need your participation, your expert sessions there. So we are planning for that. And very soon we will inform you about that. So we need your support always, sir. All the members.
Okay. Sure. We are there. Thank you.
All right.
Yes.
Acha, we have not taken a photograph.
Yes, that's important. Everybody, I would like to request, please switch on your video camera. Then we will have one screenshot.
Hassan sir.
I think he's traveling, but still
Yes,
possible.
sir.
Possible.
Ke ase de manujon. Okay. Now I can take the screenshot.
Our members, can you come here?
Please come to that side. So bilak tale gusi jo. Once more. Yeah.
Take the.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Sumit, thank you.
Thank you. We'll meet again. Thank you. Thank you, Sneha, Aru, Hasi, and Omen. Aku ami log pam.
Sure. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.